Alright, and today I was coming into Eureka, and I came upon Target, thought I'd stop by and see what they have in stock there. So this is a video about that, my blog, and so if that interests you, it's coming up right after this. Alright, I had to come out to Eureka today, so I figured I'm going to stop at Target for some Lego. Woohoo! I'm not going to buy any, but I'll see what they got. I haven't been here in about, it's been at least a month. So I'll meet you inside. Be right back. Alright, coming up to the Lego now. Wow, they got a lot today. Got the typewriter. We got Bowser. Got the new holiday, what do you call it? Got the Santa's Village. You know, because Christmas, I guess, is coming up, huh? So, soon. They even got the space shuttle. Look at that. Camaro. They got a lot today. Got Back to the Future. Got the Land Rover. There. $239. Star Wars. They even got R2-D2. Look at that. I've never had that before. He's $239. Heads, helmets. You got the Harry Potter train, the little one. I'll pick one of those up someday. This is like the adult section. You got a lot of Mario and Sonic. They even got Sonic here. Now that's unusual. You got a little Sonic right there. They even got the Donkey Kong. I've been waiting for that to come out. $109 for that. It's the Diddy Kong's minecart ride. We wanted to get that one. I just don't understand why they haven't done Super Mario. I guess they just want to combine it all together into one theme or whatever. Which back in the day it was actually Mario, but then they kind of separated them all. But where's Donkey Kong and Mario separately? Then you got Groot, what do you call it, the Venomized Groot. Got some of the gloves. Okay, this is a new one, Star-Lord's helmet. I never seen that one before. These are all $69 except for the helmet, it's $79. Star-Lord's helmet. That must be new. Come around here into the city area. It's kind of city on one side and other stuff on the other side. They got a lot of friends. They got the Up House. They've had the Up House since it came out. You even got Disney. 100th anniversary, The Little Mermaid. So you tend to put the bigger stuff up on top or on the bottom or both. You got the Main Street. Seen that on a couple of YouTube channels. You got the new boat down there. Oh, they actually got a lot here, surprisingly. They didn't even have the ship. I think I have that one. So, got some up here in the front too. I missed these. A lot of Sonic. Yeah, a lot of Sonic. Mario. They don't have to be selling those very good. They put them up here. Tend to do that. So anyway, yeah, that's Target in Eureka. So that's what they got here. So that'll be it for this one. Bye.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.